Podcast Network Asia.
I'm not saying that I need validation for my husband, but there is a certain, yung nakaka-comfort sa kinakabog kong puso.
Kinakabog.
Is that like thumping heart?
Kumakabog.
Kumakabog.
Yung kinakabog puso, parang kabog yung girl. Parang pinupuri. Pinupuri mo ba sarili mo?
No, my thumping heart, my nervous heart. Kinakabahan.
Hi, I'm Jeric.
And I'm Apple.
And you're listening to the Langaspix Podcast.
Join us every week as we talk about family, faith, and everything in between.
Now powered by Podcast Network Asia and Podmetrics.
Hello mga langa, this is me, Jeric.
And this is Apple.
We're so energized from the song.
Kasi mali-mali naman kasi yung ginawa ko.
After choosing
Mali-mali yung
and going through different songs for the past hour.
Mali-mali yung mga lyrics ko, mali-mali yung pasok ko ng... Okay lang, masaya.
Kahit mali-mali, you are enough for me.
Thanks.
Because our topic for today has something to do with that.
Is what? Being enough for each other?
No, it's about empowering affirmations for your langga. But of course, being enough for each other, only God can complete us.
True.
Yes.
Only God is enough for me.
God is enough for me. Alam mo yung kantang yan?
Ay, oo nga, no? Napaano ko. I was like, scanning through my karaoke list.
Scanning through my window.
Looking for the song. Okay. So, before we continue this week's episode, mga langga, we would like to give a special shout out to Rose Ann and Christian for sharing with us their time, their trust sa Simba session namin recently.
Si Rose Ann na isa sa ating mga langga na nakikinig dito and she reached out to me kung pwede daw tayo mag-Simbis sa kanila. Tapos after ng Simbis, nagpakapi pa.
Oo.
Grabe po. Grabe po
kaya
talaga.
Kaya gising po kami ngayon. Kaya maraming salamat. And for all those mga langga who would love to send us coffee to keep us awake at our, mga late night recordings, please do check out.
Yeah, buymecoffee.com/langga. That's buymecoffee.com/LANGGA. So speaking of Simbis, our topic for today is, of course, related to Simbis. It's from Simbis.
And if you're not sure, mga langga, if this is your first time here on the pod and it's your first time hearing Simbis, please do check out langaspeaks.com/Simbis, SYMBAS. That's saving your marriage before it starts.
So before we start, ano nga ba to? Ano ba yung mga regular affirmation na pag-uusapan natin? It says na minsan nakakalimutan natin na magkaroon ng mga affirmations that would give life to our langga, to our family or friends na close to us. Kasi kailangan yung regular affirmation para maging connected kayo, maging close kayo. But of course, as with all things na worthy, it needs consistent effort to bear fruit.
I like how you said consistent effort kasi especially if you've been together for a while, minsan nakakapagod lang din or yung we take each other for granted.
Alam na ni Apple yan.
Exactly. I don't need to say it anymore. He probably knows that I love him. He probably knows that I appreciate him. Mga ganun. Kailangan ko ba magsabi ng thank you? Pag-uusapan natin yan this episode. Kasi, hindi naman kasi kailangan, it doesn't have to be complex whenever you affirm your partner. In fact, it's better to keep it simple. Ask me why.
Why?
Because the simpler you keep it, the easier it is to be sustainable.
Sustainable, parang yun ang gusto kong bahay.
House number 3, Lord, claim and declare. Pero, we keep it simple because when we keep it simple, we're able to do it more often. Yung hindi na natin isipin kung paano mo i-word yung 10,000 word essay, kung paano mo i-affirm yung partner mo every day.
Kaya dati, yung sinabi ko sa'yo na ayoko muna magsabi ng I love you kasi gusto ko special.
Oo.
Yung pala, mas kailangan naman sa regular. Hindi dapat nire-reserve for special occasions yung mga affirmations na ito.
Nakakaloka naman yung pag I love you yung special occasions. Kasi once a year, pag birthday ko.
Kasi yung the way na binala ko talaga sabihin yun, yung ganito, I love you. Yun talaga yung, I love you.
Hindi na kita sasarisohin. Pag ganyan
actually,
mo ako,
isipin
ko talaga na hindi mo ako mahal.
Actually, yun talaga yung method na gusto kong gawin.
I love you.
Kaso hindi natuloy
Gosh.
Diba, you really need to do this to communicate how much you love your langga.
True.
What's important kasi hindi yung simplicity nun, but what's important is for you to be authentic, to be genuine, and yung tagus sa puso, taos puso yung pagsabi mo.
You mean person heart?
Sige, just
People
move on.
heart.
Okay,
Tapos,
sige,
puso.
Kaya mo yan.
Multiple tao. People.
Taos puso.
Yun nga, tao, people. But what's important kasi talaga is not what you say in the sense of how you will word it. What's more important is how you really communicate this love that you have for your langga. Diba pag sinasabi natin na overflow yung pagmamahal mo, hindi pwede na i-keep mo sa sarili mo. You can't just keep it in yourself. You have to be able to reassure your partner that love is still there.
Yes, that's why I am very, very much excited for the coming weeks because I will be reassured by having the approval of my wife.
Mahirap po pag, maraming namamatay po sa akala. So let's not assume, ha?
Okay. Speaking of quality and assume.
Speaking of quality and assume, kasi the quality of our relationship and yung journey natin bilang magpartner, bilang maglangga, mag-asawa will depend on how well you love them. But also, yung contribution natin. Hindi ibig sabihin na, okay lang yan, I already washed the dishes, yun yung contribution ko. No, what is important is the effort that we put in the relationship because how we contribute to the relationship makes a tremendous impact. Dalawa na lang kayo sa relationship, yun pa, hindi ka pa you won't shoulder your own share.
Exactly. So here are some awesome, empowering affirmations that both of you can start with. Number 1 is, you are enough. Langga, you are enough.
Sometimes kasi, mga langga, we just need to hear na lahat ng ginagawa natin and everything that we are as a person is enough. Diba? Kasi minsan, life, in the routine of life, the ups and downs, the busyness of life, whenever stress comes or whenever there's no stress, we get too filled up with yung mga self-doubts natin, especially pag patong-patong na yung mga problema sa buhay. We get through the motions of life and we lose sight kung sino ba talaga tayo. Especially, for example, mga nanay dyan. Pag marami na yung mga anak mo or kahit first child mo pa lang, nakakalimutan na natin yung kung sino tayo before we were married, kung sino tayo before we became a mother. And we forget to see our self-worth as a person. And also, kung ano yung worth natin sa mga tao na minamahal natin, right?
Pag narinig mo tong, langga, you are enough. Pag narinig mo to sa langga mo, from your spouse, it is a powerful antidote to the spiral of guilt that we find ourselves in. Sometimes we all go through this guilty tayo na parang hindi ko ginagawa yung role ko, parang kulang ako bilang nanay, asawa, bilang tatay, bilang nanay. So bilang it's easy to believe in that lie that we will never be enough to meet the expectations of our loved ones. Kaya importante na masabi mo to sa mahal mo. Kaya nga thriving yung mga businesses that offers pleasures 'Di ba? At saka yung mga pampapaganda, from shopping to entertainment. Kasi lahat yun parang kino-communicate na hindi ka pa enough
True.
So, buy this, avail this for you to be better, for you to be enough.
You would see marketing campaigns directed towards yung mga stay-at-home wives, stay-at-home moms. You want to become sexier for your husband. You want to become a multitasking mother. Yung mga superwoman na mga nanay, mga ganyan. Or you are marketed for you to be a good wife and a good mother. Kailangan lahat ayos sa buhay mo. Yung pagiging nanay mo, yung pagiging asawa mo, yung pagiging career woman mo, yung pagluluto mo, kahit yung paglilinis mo.
True.
Kailangan perfect lahat. Only then and only then you'll be able to say, okay, I'm the best version of myself. Diba? Ang hirap pa kasing ganun Ang hirap if we don't take a step back and remind our partner na it's okay that you don't have everything under control. It's okay that we're journeying together.
Minahal kita sa kung sino ka, hindi ka sa potential na magiging ikaw.
Exactly.
Ito na naman tayo sa kinakanta ko lagi. Minahal kita sa taglay mo.
I don't know that.
Of course, I don't even know what song that was. I only have it in my mind. So,
but the thing is kasi mga langga, when we are able to affirm our spouse or when we feel affirmed by our spouse that we are seen na in the juggling of the different yung mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, when our partner sees that through our struggle, we are not less of a person, but that we as a person are still loved by our spouse, it reassures us that, it reassures us and gives us that confidence to bloom even more kahit maraming kaguluhan sa paligid-ligid dyan, yung mga ganon, right?
Exactly. Even if the even if the world tells you that you are not enough, marinig mo yun sa taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, someone that you entrust your life with, that means a lot. That is a big impact to them.
Which
And
brings us
to number 2.
To
You are
number
doing
2.
a great job, Langga. You are doing a great job. Kaya pa ulit-ulit ko sinasabi kanina sa pagluluto mo, you are doing a great, amazing job. Ang
kahit
sarap.
amoy prito ako, no, pritong
Oo.
isda, okay lang.
Kasi may sakit ngayon na nagaganap sa mundo.
Ano, yung monkeypox?
Hindi yun. Ang sakit ngayon is yung comparisonitis. Oh, it's so prevalent in the age of social media kasi meron tayong view ng buhay ng iba. We all have this instant view of other people's lives. Pero the problem here is, it's an Instagram version.
Curated yung
Curated.
version.
Di ba? Yung parang best foot forward. And it really reflects the true state of their lives.
True.
Kasi usually, hindi mo alam yung nangyayari sa kanila. They may have, pwede mo sabihin na goals yan. Family goals, couple goals. Pero, or do you really know what's happening?
Sometimes kasi we use social media as a way to divert ourselves, that we can't be going back to the first point of meeting the standard that we placed upon ourselves. So we try to seek for validation from those things, which is like yung mga Instagram version ng buhay natin. Or again, maybe we're so busy na feeling natin wala na accomplish.
Busy lang ako for busy sake. Wala akong nararating.
Yeah, I've started so many things, but I never got to go to sleep knowing that I got to finish something. Especially for me in the past year of homeschooling Joseph, there will be so many days na uuwi na lang si Jeric na parang feeling ko as in walang nangyari. Pero pagod na pagod ako. Yung nag-try ko maglinis, hindi siya naayos na maayos. I tried to teach Joseph his lesson for the day. Feeling ko hindi ko siya natapos. I tried to take care of Zay. Feeling ko ano pa rin siya. Yung parang, anyari? And before I know it, everybody's in bed and I'm just staring at the ceiling in the dark, wondering where this day has been.
Sorry lang ka.
Hindi, ganun kasi yung tumatakbo. Hindi ko naman sinasabi yun, Langga. You're doing a great job of reaffirming me of my value as a person.
So,
Not that I'm looking to you for validation.
So, paano naman ako kung hindi talaga maayos yung pagtiklop ng damit?
Problema ko na yun. That's my issue with myself.
Ipi-praise mo pa rin ba ako kahit na hindi perfect yung pagtitiklop ko?
No, you're doing a great job of trying.
Of disrupting. Of disrupting the system of the cabinet.
Hindi naman. Pero aminin mo, na we found the system na pag nagtitiklop ako, pag nagsasampay ako, inaalagaan mo yung mga bata para we do two things at once. Kaya you're doing a great job as a tatay. Actually, I would like to honor my husband today because he really took a step forward in really letting Joseph have this playtime, especially with his cousin. Sobrang nakita ko ulit yung ganun na aspeto ng character niya na pagdating sa mga bata na minamahal niya. As in, even if it's running after kids in the middle of a mall, okay lang sa kanya.
Wala naman akong choice. Baka mawala sila. Pinagkatiwala sa akin ng nanay yung pamangkin ko. Tapos mawawala siya. Diba?
Hindi.
Pero yun nga, kahit hindi perfect yung job, you have to praise them pa rin for making an effort. Kahit hindi pa natapos, kahit hindi perfect, even if it's a struggle to do everything that is needed.
Like for example, for Jeric, even if he has a full day, even though alam ko na pagod siya, alam niyo ba gabi-gabi nag-i-edit siya ng podcast? And he does kahit na sobrang nahuhulog na siya sa upuan, sa sobrang antok niya, he does the best that he can give because he knows it's not just for himself and it's a mission that he is able to glorify God through a podcast. Kaya I really honor my husband and he does a really great job.
Context lang mga Langga, I'm also editing kasi yung daily podcast ng feast namin, Daily Encounter, Enrichment Podcast, Deep. Kaya kung may time kayo makinig, pwede rin po kayo makinig doon. So, I'm one of the editors of that. And then I also do a freelance work for other podcasts. So, ayun.
Kaya I really appreciate Langga.
Kaya nahuhulog na po ako sa upuan.
Kailangan kasi palitan natin yung upuan, yung may back. Pero, paano niyan mga Langga? Paano kung yung if we don't feel that, if we don't hear that from our spouse. But even if we don't feel that our spouse is reassuring us that we're doing a great job, Jesus kasi, God Himself is already so gracious sa atin. that when we know na kahit imperfect tayo, sinful tayo, yung paulit-ulit na lang yung mga ginagawa natin kasalanan, God still forgives us. And it should be that overflow of love that we should be giving to our spouse. Kaya mahirap if we expect so much perfection around na kahit yung mga ginagawa ng asawa natin na these are like majoring in minor details, yung nag-nitpick na lang tayo instead of thanking them and reassuring them and affirming them that they're doing a great job.
This is our job to really reinforce empowerment and boost confidence sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Kasi, kailangan yung isa't isa to, hindi ko naman sinasabi to the point of being enmeshed or being needy, but a little push for one another will make you go through the week, go through the month, go through the year.
Sometimes
even if
through
it's
the
hard.
day. Sometimes through the day.
Yeah.
Kaya nga yung sinasabi namin ni Jeric, choice siya at kailangan ulit-ulitin, araw-arawin. Tama ba yung word ko? Which is why we really encourage to keep it simple. So from that, we move on to the third, which is, I am proud of you, the work you're doing, and your accomplishments.
So we mentioned time and time again how important shared activity is in order for a relationship to thrive. Kaya importante sa amin kahit na mapuyat si Apple. Grabe, I honor you lang kasi sinasamahan mo pa rin ako sa shared activity na to. However, it is also very important to be vocal about praising each other. Kasi if you're not praising each other for each other's work, mahirap for the other person na manghula. But if you vocalize it, it pushes us to become better versions of ourselves.
True. And this is where yung open communication and being openly intimate with each other, not just physically, but emotionally, because you're able to share yung mga goals mo, yung mga dreams mo, not just as a couple, but as an individual. And if you're aware of their goals and of their dreams and how they're working to achieve it, let them know na proud ka rin sa kanila kasi they have chosen you to be their number one witness.
Number one fan.
No, they have chosen you to be the witness, but it is your choice to become their number one fan.
Sorry. You're
It's
doing a great job in observing that. My construction subject predicate. Kailangan kasi present kayo sa isa't isa. Di ba? Maliit man o malaki yung mga bagay na pinagtatrabahuhan nyo. Whether it's a monthly budget or maybe a major big dream or maybe whatever. Maybe it's a plan to go to a cinema this weekend to watch something.
Thanks, God.
You have
Sabok na ba yan?
Wala pa, di ba? Chill lang.
Excited ako.
Sino si Tom Cruise? So,
Lightyear.
Lightyear ba?
Lightyear ako.
Download mo na lang. Alam mo, kailangan talaga mga langga, you have to reinforce this vocally. Why? Because it reminds you that you are on the same team.
True.
Even if you have individual plans and pursuits, it is by achieving them together kasi that you get to contribute to the relationship as a whole. We'll be right back.
Hi, my name is Jelly Victor.
And I'm JC Alenis.
Do check out the Parent Team podcast, Real Parents Facing Modern Problems Together. This is brought to you by Wyeth Nutrition Parent Team and Podcast Network Asia.
And now, back to the show. Exactly. It allows you to have that chance of sharing in that activity, kahit hindi ka talaga present doon, but for you to be there to cheer your partner on. It really gives them that boost of confidence. Kaya from there, we move on to number 4, which is telling your partner, I believe in you.
I believe in you. I believe in your promise. Diba ba?
Worship song pala to. Worship song. No, pero that's one of the things na I'm so thankful for yung para sa akin. Kasi I used to be quite timid in dreaming or quite timid in trying new things. And whenever Jeric, I'm not saying that I need validation from my husband, but there is a certain, yung nakaka-comfort sa kinakabog kong puso.
Kinakabog.
Is it like something hard?
Kumakabog.
Kumakabog.
Yung kinakabog puso, parang kabog yung girl. Parang pinupuri. Pinupuri mo ba sarili mo?
No, my thumping heart, my nervous heart. Kinakabahan.
Ano ba yun? Kabog ka, girl. Sabi mo, kabog. Yung pala kinakabahan yung gusto mong sabihin. It's okay.
I meant nervous.
I believe in you.
I know. Okay, thank you.
I believe in
so
you,
basically,
in what you want
even
to
if
say.
I'm so nervous of trying out something new.
Yun, in English mo na
Dapat
lang.
kasi, oo nga, dapat I should English it every time. Anyways, but yeah, whenever I feel nervous about trying something new or doing something by myself, it gives me a sense of comfort, of confidence when Jeric tells me, no, kaya mo yan lang ga, I believe in you.
That's true. Katulad kanina, sabi ko, ayaw niya, nag-aalangan pa siyang bumili ng chocolate croissant. Sabi ko, I believe in your tummy. Go, buy chocolate
Kaso,
croissant.
pagpunta ko doon, wala na, ubos
Yun
na.
lang.
Yun yung mahirap eh.
Hindi ka
Yung
kasi
mga-
nagpasabi.
Oo.
Susunod, pagka, sasabihan mo yung grocery, oy, mag-bake nga kayo para sa
Parating
akin.
na ako,
Parating na
oo.
ako lang to.
But you know what, mga langga, if we think that in dating, it's nice to hear, but actually in marriage, when you're married, it's quite vital to hear words like this because spouses should always express how much they believe in each other. Huwag natin i-assume that yung spouse natin ay mind reader na kaya niya yung parang, okay, if you believe in your partner, you have to vocalize it. Don't assume that your spouse can already assume and see and read that you believe in them already.
Alam mo, struggle ko to doon sa'yo kasi minsan, nasabi ko, hindi mo ba ako pinagkakatiwalaan? Hindi ka ba naniniwala sa sinabi ko? Kailangan mo pang itanong kay mami? Kailangan mo pang itanong kay daddy? Hindi ka ba nagtitiwala sa akin? Di ba may mga ganyan ako moment?
Although those were completely different things. But then when it came to major things, minsan kasi hindi ako nag-vocalize it. I believe in Jeric.
So minsan nafe-feel ko na, pinalitan ko naman ng tama yung ilaw. Bakit hindi yun naniniwala? Tatanong pa kay daddy kung tama yung size.
Bakit hindi pa nag-on kahit switch on ko?
Kaya kasi nakakonect sa Google. Taray. Smart bulb pala. Nakakaangat na sa buhay.
Pero ito yung kasi mahirap. The reason why we mentioned how vital it is in marriage, because the opposite of not believing in the partner, kasi it's hard is not believing in the partner, or rather, yung parang nati-threaten yung confidence ng partner mo because of becoming the biggest critic instead. It's so hard to thrive in a relationship if one of you or if both of you became the biggest bully of each other.
Yes.
Mga langga, words have power. Kaya siguro nakikinig din kayo sa podcast. Words have power. Kaya mahirap talaga mag-thrive ang isang relationship when yung foundation niya is built on negative comments or yung mga body shaming. Huwag natin makalimutan mga langga. Don't forget, jokes are actually half meant.
Sometimes it's 90% meant.
True.
Diba? So,
That's why it's actually quite painful for me to hear. Even if the couple may say that it's all in good fun for them, they don't take it seriously. But when they start speaking words, especially in front of other people, about yung mga body shaming, or they would make fun of certain characteristics, and you can hear exactly,
especially when it's public. So,
yung na-highlight, yung mga ganon, instead of being your husband or your wife's number one fan, ikaw yung nagiging
nagiging number one fan pa rin naman, fanning the flames of anger.
Of rage.
Of inis.
True.
Yung effort nyo and potential for growth becomes super achievable kasi when you're working together and you're believing in one another. Again, this sounds simple. You might even be tempted to say na, alam na naman niya yun. Hindi ko naman kailangan sabihin na I believe in him or her. But, this can pay dividends when you just say it. This can pay dividends towards accomplishing goals and even passing milestones in your relationship. So, sabihin nyo na, makakatipid pa kayo pag sinabi nyo, I believe in you. I believe na wala ka nang bibilin pa.
Sa akin or sa sarili mo lang ga?
Buti na lang may salamin akong hawak ngayon. I believe na wala na akong bibilin pa. May ibebenta na lang ako para may bilin pa ako.
Mga langga, if you're looking for something, for certain equipment, please DM. We're selling something.
Grabe naman po.
Sure.
Dito pa nagbenta. Affiliate links in the below. Please check the show notes.
But even then, even if we see the imperfections of our partner, even if we see the little nitpicking details that we wish we could magnify in the hopes na mawala sila, at the end of everything, the one major thing we should always reassure our partner is that they are a good person.
That's number 5.
You are a good person. Yun yung nakakalimutan natin ngayon lahat eh. We forget actually that the original design of God is that we were made in His image and likeness. And that when God created us, taking it from Genesis, God saw all that He had made, which is including you and I, and it was very good.
Exactly. We struggle with this kasi the world says otherwise. And like I said, laging sinasabi na hindi ka mabuting tao, kaya kailangan mong gawin to, kaya kailangan mo basahin to. You know, from products pa lang, sa commercial, shouting that you're not good enough. Kaya you need this. Kahit yung iba natin, yung iba sa atin, sa childhood pa lang, sinasabi na ay naku, napakasutil mong bata.
Napakasalbahe.
Napakasalbahe mo talaga. Di ba? Ganun palang bata pala, napakakulit mo. Ganyan ka na. Makulit. Ay.
Sakit ka sa ulo ng nanay mo.
Sakit ka sa ulo ng nanay mo?
Oo.
Ganyan.
Nagiging self-fulfilling prophecy actually.
Exactly. Sa mga young parents na nakikinig ngayon kung meron man. So, we hold a very big responsibility kasi we were parented in a way that we feel that we're not good enough or we're not good as a person.
And then when you meet a partner who amplifies that, who reaffirms that,
grabe yun, sakit nun.
It destroys the dignity and the character of the person you've chosen to marry.
Exactly. So, life can harden us, making us less likely to express our admiration for each other. Kaya yung iba hindi nagsasalita ng mga bagay na to. So, constant rejections, lalo na yung mga constant rejection, it hardens our hearts even more.
True. And if you remember, Mananga, we spoke a couple of episodes ago about how to open your heart to each other. Diba?
Kasi it removes the opportunities na maging closer kay sa isa. Yung pag ganun yung rejection nyo sa isa't isa. Kaya,
and it's hard to have that, yung to enjoy also the physical intimacy in a relationship.
Exactly. Yung iba nagtataka na, bakit kaya wala na siya, hindi na kami close, hindi na kami affectionate sa isa't isa. Maybe you can start looking in your words. You know, it's not only, bakit ganun, binigyan ko naman siya ng regalo, pero hindi pa rin siya responsive. Parang cold pa rin niya sa akin. It may be because your hearts were hardened already because of the words that were said to the person, to your langga. So you have to reassess that. Kaya the people closest to us, yan mismo yung nakaka-miss out ng mga affirmations na to. Kaya di lang sa mga langga nyo, dapat na i-take note nyo itong episode na to because maybe we are also harsh to the people closest to us.
True.
Maybe we also do not affirm them well enough to be empowered in life. So, make sure to pause and make sure to know that you admire them as a person and reinforce it also with a why. Kailangan may rason din langga, diba?
Why are we saying this? Why are we speaking words of life to each other? Because we are the chosen partner of our spouse, of our langga, and we are supposed to be the face of God to each other. And if we are not able to speak the words of life to each other, anong klaseng relationship na yun? Hindi na siya life building. Diba? Kaya it's really important to vocalize this. Kasi if you remember, yung from the book of Luke, sabi daw doon from chapter 6 verse 45, the good person out of the good treasure of his heart produces good. And the evil person out of his evil treasure produces evil. For out of the abundance of the heart, his mouth speaks. Ito yung nakakalimutan din kasi natin na these words that we speak, isipin mo na lang na parang may dam yung puso, na every time we speak words sa partner natin, we drop yung parang, we drop rain droplets of the words of life or the words of death into our spouse. And one day it's going to overflow. The dam is going to break because it can't hold it anymore. Now the question is, what kind of water, what kind of overflow will break free because of what we are nourishing our partner's heart with? Exactly.
Ito ba yung tipo ng overflow na magpapathrive sa isang natutuyong relasyon? Or ito ba yung overflow na talaga namang magde-destroy ng lahat?
True.
Paano kung walang Elsa na may kabayong tubig?
Kabayong? Wala ka doon.
Nag-gets mo ba yung analogy ko? Tagal. Kailan panood ka na ng Frozen 2, hindi mo pa rin naalala yung langga? Langga, you are enough. I believe that you can remember my reference.
Yelong kabayo.
Yelong kabayo? Kasi nga, ano nga pala niya, no?
Yelong kabayo. Natutuyo na siya.
Uy! focus. Ganda-ganda nung ano natin. Tapos ganda yung ending natin.
Frozen heart. Ay, Frozen horse.
Sorry mga langga kasi nood paulit-ulit yung Frozen 2 na yan.
Frozen 2, yung mga songs ng Encanto, Hercules.
Kulang na lang na yung ringtone ko. So anyhow, what is the langga telling you today? Not the not
Yelong kabayo.
I can hear you. Now I want.
No, for me, it's the same statements we mentioned today are not only to be spoken to our partner, but we should also be vocalizing it to ourselves din. Yung minsan kasi nakakalimutan din natin na we should not always, our sense of worth does not come from our partner. It comes from God, right? But also these statements should also be spoken to ourselves. If you remember Malanga, we're just going to go through it. Number 1, tell yourself, I am enough. Number 2, I am doing a great job. Then, I am proud of myself, the work that I am doing, at lahat ng mga na-accomplish ko. I believe in myself. And number 5, not the least, but the most important, I am a good person. Kaya mga look at the mirror once in a while. Jeric would look in the mirror actually and tell him, but tell yourself in the silence of his heart.
Parang pinalabas mo naman na GGSS sa talaga ako, no?
Hindi, pero ikaw, nakayanan mo kasi, nahiya kasi ako na mag-face ng mirror at sabihin to. But in the
ba yung mirror mo? 360p? Hindi 8K?
Ano yun?
Resolution.
Ay, sabi ko, gold. Nagulat ako, sabi ko, di ba 18K tsaka 22K lang yung gold? Ay. No, but then yun nga, yung mga statements na yun, but the calmness of your heart, if in the silence of your heart, the times that you have time to yourself, na to be able to speak these words to yourself and reassure yourself that you are a good person. Why? Because you were made in the image and likeness of God, and God is good all the time. All the time, God is good.
And with your spirit.
Right. Ikaw naman, Nangga. What is Nangga telling you?
The Langga is telling me today that we should not hold, we should be generous to giving affirmations, not only to the people that we have, mutual benefit with, but to constantly strive to speak life to others, right. Especially in the time that we just go to quick fixations of instant affirmations na alam mo namang peke. So mas maganda sana na sa'yo namang galing yung authentic way of speaking life to others. Because like what we said in the past episode that we had in 114, no? When Bishop Robert Barron said it is in equal measure that we can increase more. If you want more life, if you want more people speaking life to you, then maybe you should start speaking life first. It is in equal measure that we receive as well. Diba? Hindi pwede naman na mag-expect tayo ng something pero tayo mismo hindi natin ibinibigay yun sa kapwa natin.
True.
So mga langga, these empowering affirmations, like we said and we mentioned in this episode, it's so easy to miss, especially when it comes to the people closest to us. But we should do it more regularly. Let's stop looking for grand things na kailangan kasi special occasion siya ko lang sasabihin na I believe in you. Diba? Huwag nating tipirin, go all out and say all of these things. But of course, you have to do it with a good reason also. Baka naman lahat na lang sabihin mo, I believe in you, I believe in you, I believe in you. puro ganun lang.
Kasi may kailangan ka.
But do this out of the abundance of your heart. And if your heart is empty, go to the source which can fully fill it up. This is me, Jeric.
And this is Apple.
Always reminding you,
napalangga ka sa Diyos.
Sobrang tagal namin nag-isip ng kakantahin.
Uuwi
rin pala tayo dito.
Almost 45 minutes, actually.
More than an hour, di pa tayo nagre-record. Pero sige na nga. Soundboarder lang pala ang magko-convince sa araw na to. Ito pala yung mood namin ngayon.
Because kahit gabi, you can always see a rainbow.
Wala nga ulan eh.
Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world, no. Breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all, no.
Say goodbye, say hello to a lover, a friend. Sometimes we never could understand. Sometimes being there just it. I think I skipped a word.
We can really never tell it all. No, no. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on, and so oh baby, please smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain.
Sorry. Excited ako.
Nawala ako bigla.
Oo, ganyan talaga pag...
Inirit mo bigla.
wala.
Binirit. Wala. Meron pa tayo second stanza. Ayan.
Lose you should yeah. Go. It could be so bad. Good or bad nga pala. Okay lang. But
Baby, this is life now, don't get mad.
Oy.
No, no, no.
No.
'Cause oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on, and so baby, you smile,
Just smile na lang. Kahit mali.
'cause I'm always around you.
And I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and
Ganda
me.
talaga.
Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain.
Tama na ako.
Yes, pasok.
Life's full of challenges, and all the time we get what we want.
But don't despair, my dear, 'cause I know
You'll take each trial and you'll make it through the storm as you're strong.
my faith in you is clear. So I'll say once again, this was wonderful. And let us celebrate life that's so beautiful. So beautiful. Little time, baby.
Mali ako.
See the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds.
That was sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful... Nasaan ka? Nawala
To
ka.
be.
Yun.
Binibigyan ka ng moment.
Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day.
Taas eh.
Can
Lord,
you hear
hirap na ako, Lord.
me?
There's a rainbow always after the rain.
Adyo mga langga. See you next week.
The views and opinions expressed by the podcast creators, hosts, and guests do not necessarily reflect the official policy and position of Podcast Network Asia, the hosts of the program, or other programs of the network. Any content provided by the people on the podcast are of their own opinion and are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, club, organization, company, individual, or anyone or anything.